Good evening. Welcome to the evening forecast discussion for August 14th, 2014. It's currently 9:40 p.m. and we have some more rain moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. This time it's associated with a secondary cold front that's going to really usher in some very cool temperatures into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with some potentially record-breaking lows for tomorrow morning and for especially Saturday morning, with clear skies and light winds expected, especially on Saturday morning, leading to optimal radiational cooling. Then again, we do have a bit of a warm-up on the way. We get back to normal. I know it's not a heat wave, but at least we get back to normal by the time we get to next week. So let's take a look at the latest data and break down the latest forecast. Here's the latest observations as of 9 p.m. and as you can see, we have temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s over portions of the New York City metropolitan area, especially to the west of New York City, and mid to upper 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area and points west. Notice along the coast we have temperatures in the lower 70s. Basically, we have a cold front moving through right now, and that's producing a few scattered showers and some heavy downpours. Winds are veering from southwest to the northwest at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. On the latest surface map, we can clearly see that cold front moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and behind this cold front, temperatures will fall off into the mid to upper 50s for lows along the coast and upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior as skies clear out. Now the latest radar clearly shows a band of showers over the Hudson River Valley and over south central New Jersey. The one over south central New Jersey is rather vigorous with some heavy downpours, but that will soon be exiting out into the Atlantic and will no longer bother any location. However, this band of showers over the Hudson River Valley will move through Connecticut through the overnight hours with some periods of moderate to heavy rainfall. By the time we get to about 4 a.m. though, everyone is high and dry and clearing out with very low humidity building into the region. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front moving through. This is the upper level low, and we'll see it even more clearly on the water vapor satellite picture. But basically, you can see high pressures taking hold. We still have that polar air mass not able to advance all the way down into the southeast, which is kind of normal for this time of year. But still, it is pretty aggressive and rather impressive as far as magnitude and also duration, and plus it's pushing pretty far south for this time of year. On the water vapor satellite picture, here's our upper level low. I mean, that's just impressive. Now, this upper level low is going to slowly shift towards the northern, should I say the Canadian Maritimes, and as it's moving towards the Canadian Maritimes, it's going to lead to a block over the northwestern Atlantic that will have a significant impact on our weather pattern moving forward. Basically, if anyone's expecting temperatures to move to above normal levels or any type of heat wave, well, you're going to be sorely disappointed as we get more of an influence from the northern Atlantic and also northeastern Canada than we will from the southeast in this upcoming weather pattern over the next 5 to 7 days. So let's take a look at the latest European model guidance using the Penn State EWOL website. Again, for tomorrow, that cold front is off the coast, high pressure takes control. Temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 70s along the coast and in urban locations, and lower to mid 70s over the interior. Can't rule out an isolated shower still, with this upper level low spinning to the north over the St. Lawrence River Valley. On Saturday, we clear out completely, high pressure in complete control, with clear skies to sky cloud cover, low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, a few mid to upper 40s mixed in some of those valleys, and along the coast, mid to upper 50s for lows. As far as highs are concerned, upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On Sunday, a cold front will approach the region with scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. With that southwesterly wind, temperatures will be a bit warmer. We're looking at mid to upper 60s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. Then on Monday, high pressure takes control once again with clearing skies. Temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows. As we have to wait a bit for this polar air mass to come back in. But then by Monday afternoon, temperatures only rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s, with humidity falling off significantly by the afternoon hours. On Tuesday, we start to warm up just a little bit. High pressure's in control, and we end up basically near normal. Mid to upper 60s for lows, upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. And then on Wednesday, an area of low pressure will approach the region and move through southern New Jersey and towards the New Jersey coastal waters and to the south of Long Island, with periods of rain expected. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. And then on Thursday, Canadian high pressure takes over once again with a northerly wind and temperatures ranging from the mid 60s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. That's your forecast discussion for this evening. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful night, and as always, stay safe out there.